Asano, good afternoon. Shalafiani. Orukomini Baba Marcus Akinlana. A lot of you who see this video, you already know me. You know me as an artist. You know me as an Olorisha Shongo, one of the traditional African priests of the city of New Orleans and beyond. Or you maybe know me as a martial arts trainer, or you know me as a drummer. I have something on my mind I want to talk to you about, and those people who are interested in traditional African culture and the solutions in life that we bring, ILE ÄKỌ AŞA with our culture, particularly Orisha Voodoo and Ifa. This will definitely be of interest to you. I'm mostly speaking to people who know me already. This will be of interest to you. It's been on my mind now. We've been going on almost 4 months in this region of being under quarantine after we did the big work, which we publicly shared, where we did Eba Fun Obaluaye. We made sacrifices to Obaluaye. I put up the results. Everybody who rolled with us on that important work is alive today and doing well. Adupwe fun Orisha, adupwe fun Olodumare. We give thanks to the Almighty Creator. Adupwe fun Bogbo Egunwa. To our ancestors, we give thanks. So, what I want to do now, what's been on my mind, on my re, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to cast Dáfá. I'm going to cast a reading on what we in our community can expect with this corona season. Okay, when I say our community, I mean specifically people who receive services from ILE ÄKỌ ÀШA YORÀBÁ in New Orleans, our ILE, Kawe, JUJUPOWER, all our beloved JUJUPOWER Orisha Voodoo inspired living online success school students, and the beloved community, our immediate community members and families here in New Orleans area. That's 3 different entities. It stretches all around the world, but 3 different entities. So I'm not trying to cast a Dáfá on corona all over the world. And the reason is because you have alagbas, chiefs, who could do these type of things worldwide. We have them here at Oyatunji Village, South Carolina. We have chiefs, Ifa chiefs in ILE Ife in Nigeria. We have chiefs in other parts of the United States. We have chiefs in Cuba, etc., so forth, right? But around here, then in our culture here, and the people who have fallen in with us, then this is a type of community service that I want to share for what I call all are we, us. Ashawa Khan, our culture is number 1. Which is our New Orleans culture anyway, to stick together like a family, to use voodoo as a part of any and every solution we bring to any and every challenge. And that's why our culture has become great as a large part of the reason. And we survived some of the hardest aspects in life. So stay tuned, because within the next few days, I'm going to cast a Dáfá, maybe even today. I wanted to make y'all a video outside. I was going to have my dashiki on and be dressed or whatever, but I'm sitting in the car waiting out the rain. You know how we do. Everybody from here knows how we do. I just decided I got to get it done. So I made this video in the car. But look, stay tuned. I'm going to release the results of this reading for these 3 entities that I talked about: ILE ÄKỌ ԱՇA, JUJUPOWER, and New Orleans community. That's who I'm aiming all of the questions for Orisha for. Okay? And I'm going to share it publicly. Okay, we're going to do the Eba, and then we're going to make the, we're going to cast the Dáfá, and then we're going to make the Eba. And I'm going to share it publicly. More than likely, I'm going to post the link on our school, JUJUPOWER Orisha Voodoo Inspired Living. I may or may not also post it on our website, which is ILE ÄKỌ ΑШA. But it's definitely going to be in a school. You'll just have to log on to the school. It's going to be there for free. It don't cost you anything. It's just there for our collective benefit. Okay, and so I will announce it when I have it all done and I'm ready to release it to the public. Just stay tuned, and I will announce it. Okay, all right. I send y'all love, success, ire dodo, ire bugbo, all types of blessings in survival and then thrival. That's my wish for all of we. Orisha Bayo Dabo.